If you want to connect your POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra with a car, what you can do is you can go to settings. Over here you should be able to proceed to more connectivity options, and then in here you should be able to find Android Auto. So we can go over here. Now we can tap on connect a vehicle, and we have the first instruction. You can use a USB cable and connect your phone to your car with that cable. If your car supports wireless Android Auto, then of course we can choose that option in order to connect wirelessly. We have the instruction in here as well. You can also use Bluetooth for that, so you can choose connect using Bluetooth, and then we can choose pair a vehicle. And in here in available devices, you should be able to find your car. If needed, you can tap on the refresh text, and that will appear after a couple of seconds in here on the right side to refresh the list of available devices and try to find your car. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.